But some people say the sun in London makes a lot of people go crazy. Not having the sun makes a lot of people in London go crazy. I don't see why, because I actually do not like.
Yeah.
Why?
We want to go other places, not just one place.
Oh, that's what he's calling you. Oh my God, that's not a name.
That's the ID man. Hello. Hello.
I know, it's not the Parkway. It's the main road, whatever the people call it. But it did fun though, it was festive. But not lie. London is a vibe. If you guys haven't been to the UK.
You're calling me on my Telegram.
On a regular number? Just make him text. Why didn't he text you?
We've been texting the whole time, but what you calling me for?
Oh, he wants to hear you. He probably heard your voice. I want to expound on it.
Negative.
Oh, the vitamin D is very vital, I guess. But I went to Notting Hill Carnival today. It was cute. I had fun. I'm going to give you guys more update of me being here in London. But if you guys haven't heard, I dropped a new song. It's just a warm-up track.
Shut up.
It named
Shut up. Come on.
Pressure. It's on YouTube. It's on Apple Music. It's on Spotify. It's on Tidal. Go stream it. All if you don't like it, play it till it ends so we can get some money for pay my rent. Play it. And if you don't like it, send it to 10 somebody where you know and say, me eat Markie new song. Just make them hear so them can play it and bring up my stream. Yeah? Support a real girl like me support, you know? Right? That's a she. But I'm tired, but I'm about to go out. Shabby is dragging me out to go to a lounge or some shit.
Ooh, look at these.
You heard it on Apple Music? How do you like it? It ripped? Why it's so loose? No, it's showing underneath.
I know, that's why I stopped watching them. The panties are very much grandma.
Mm-hmm. So I'm about to come up with a video treatment. I'm going to shoot a video. And I'm going to steal Mixup's concept. I'm going to throw a dancehall party. And I'm going to make them pop champagne in the club and throw it on me. I want to do outfit changes. I want to do some extra shit. I want to do something dancehall 1990s ghetto fabulous. Because sometimes we don't like the ghettoness in our winner, but the ghettoness in our is actually cute. It's cute. The Jamaican culture is actually very dope. Let me say, I couldn't see myself, but I really appreciate the fact that I'm Jamaican. It's actually a big flex. You know, when you think of the food, the culture, the artists, I couldn't see myself anywhere else, honestly. If it's not Jamaican, I would rather be Jamaican descendant. It's dope. It's a very dope culture. I'm really here for it. I love it. I really appreciate the Jamaican culture. It wasn't something that I was proud of growing up, honestly, because we were so ghetto. But looking back at it now, they fucks with the ghetto-ness. You heard it. All these girls want a Jamaican nigga. All these girls want to be Jamaican in some aspect or way. They love the culture. It's really cute. It is. I'm proud to be Jamaican. And shout out to all my Jamaican people and all my other Caribbean people out there. Shout out to my Haitians, Sapases. I love my Haitians. Shout out to my Guyanese. I got a few Guyanese massive, GT massive. Shout out to my Trinidadians. I can't wait for Carnival next year. I want to be on Tribe. So I need to apply for my costume from now and start my down payment. I need recommendations on a hotel to stay in Trinidad. Shout out to my Vinceys. I love my Vinceys. Actually, I've never been to Barbados, and I can't wait to go to Barbados. But Barbados, dearie, man. I see some regular schmegular hotel over Barbados, and I told them I'd fit them for 3 days. I went to Barbados, and I'm going to go over the rain, and I'll greet me at the airport. But shout out to my Bajans. I love my Bajans to the T. Bajan got some of the flyest niggas, by the way. And shout out to the rest of the Caribbean countries that I'm missing out. If I'm missing anybody else, type it up. I know it's a lot of Caribbean countries. But, and shout out to the Puerto Ricans and the Dominicans. For some reason, they may not think themselves as a Caribbean. They think they're white people, but they're actually Caribbean. Shout out to my Caribbeans, my Dominicans, and my Puerto Ricans. Big up on yourself. I fucks with y'all heavy. I love my Caribbean people. I love the whole culture, seriously. My people from Grenada. What do you call them? Grenadians? I love Grenada. I've actually... Did I go to Grenada? Have I been to Grenada? No, I haven't been to Grenada. Shout out to my St. Lucians. Love y'all. Your country's very expensive. Don't know why, but whatever. Big up on yourself. I'm about to get dressed. Shout out to all my Caribbean folks. I love y'all. Walk good, live good, and be nothing but merry. Enjoy life. I'm big up on yourself. My soul come back.